What's good, y'all? What's happening? It's FLYEERRKicks. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, man, so you can stay up to date with me when I post some new heat and post some new videos, man. And if you're already a frequent flyer and a part of that club, thank you so much for subscribing, man. The support is always appreciated. We're gonna keep climbing one day at a time, man. Slow motion is better than no motion. Now, getting straight to it. Well, actually, I want to address one thing before getting into the kicks. I've been getting a couple of DMs about some of the merch and the sweatshirts and t-shirts that I've been wearing on my channel. If you see anything on this video or any of my previous videos of like some flyer merch, I have like the flyer things, I have the friends, I have the flyer brand, this one I have on right here. If you check my Instagram as well, if you see any shirts or hoodies you want, I can get that stuff done and sent out to you. Just hit me, I can get you a price. Shipping to be there in 2 days, man. So if you need anything, just let me know, shoot me a DM. I got a lot of my basic designs on FLYEERRKicks.com, which is my website, and I'll be updating that over the next few days just to add some of the newer merch. Now, getting to these kicks, man, I got an early review for y'all, straight from Adidas, something hot from the man Kanye himself. Y'all see that 350 on the box? Y'all already know what these are. Tag reads Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Desert Sage all the way across the board. Size 11, man. Y'all see it? Now, I believe these have a release date of March the 14th or 15th, whichever one, the Saturday. I think it's the 14th. And I took a peek at these earlier, man, and these came out a lot better than I expected. We got the Yeezy Boost 350 Desert Sage, man. Now, I'm hoping you guys can see these colors really well, man. This is like a mixture of gray and like blue and green. It's like a crazy mixture of colors, man. It's a crazy mixture of colors. I really like it. And I like the orange sock liner and the orange insole. It really sets it off, man. It adds that whole, it adds a new vibe that Yeezy really hasn't touched on with the sock, with this orange sock liner, man. I like these. It came out a lot better than I expected. I definitely expect these to sell out. Retail on these is about $220. Plus tax is about $240 out here in Texas. So you guys know the price for Yeezy. I know these are comfortable. It just comes down to the colorway, man. I'm kind of glad that he's slightly moving away from those tonal colorways, those same browns and beiges that he's been doing. It's just, this is a different touch, man. It adds like a louder color to it, man. Now, the stripe on these is reflective, you know, when it hits with the flash, and I'm pretty sure they're not doing a full reflective version of these. So, yeah, man, let me know how y'all feeling about these so far down below. Now, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get up close and personal with these, so you guys can see these colors, man. Fix your eyes on if you're gonna go ahead and make that purchase on March the 14th, or if you're gonna let these slide by, man. I'm gonna get you some good views, man. Let's get it. Yeezy 350 Desert Sage. Now, getting up close and personal with these, man. Straight off the top, you can see the Yeezy 350 on the top, Boost on the side. And the tag reads Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Desert Sage, Desert Sage, Desert Sage, size 11. You know, regular old Yeezy box, the slide out joint. Now, getting straight to the shoes, man. As soon as you pull the paper back, you immediately see like that neon orange color, man. That is a nice touch to the shoe. It's like a mix of like gray and green. Like it's a perfect mix, man. It's a nice color on these. It's a super nice color. I like the way the orange makes it pop. He uses that orange like he did on the Beluga ones and Beluga 2s, and even the Clays have like a similar orange, and even the tail lights that just released. It's just that orange. He always uses that orange. That's something that I think that Kanye likes to use. The outsole on these is like a tan outsole, so it won't get that ugly yellowing tint to them too soon, because it already has like a kind of a golden tone to it. You know, white boost as always. Getting to the other shoe, same thing on this side, man. This is just a nice color, man. It's a nice colorway. It's something different, man. It's a lot louder than the Yeezys that have released recently. Those have kind of been similar with the tans and the light brown. So let me know how y'all feeling about these, man. I think these are super cool. Now, that just about wraps it up for this video, y'all. I gave y'all an early look at the Yeezy 350 Desert Sage, man. Let me know how y'all feeling on these. Let me know if you're going after them. You're going to let them sit. You saw the angles. You saw the colors, man. You already know the materials. You know they're comfortable. So either you're rocking with them or you're not at this point, man. Leave me a comment down below if it's a cop or if it's a drop, man. Is it heat or is it hype? Till next time on our next video, y'all. Peace.